He's small.
Yo, guys, does anybody want this?
He can't keep it. Yeah, that's the limit.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, I want some.
Very little. Me so
This
very
is,
little.
this is filled with goop fishes.
I need more. I want some more.
I can't give you anything else. You're too small.
Hi! Hold up, I don't see. Okay, okay. Okay. Wants to trade, okay, because that's a monitor apple. Get out. Okay, you can get out, but or you can just stay. And you can watch. Large soda. Two fish! Okay. This? What do you have to trade? Heck no, dude. This gives you, when you collect these, when you collect these, I really want toys. I just really, yeah, I really want the toys. Is it the toy? Oh! Oh, can I please? Okay, I'm going to compete with it. Bombastic side-eye. Yo, it won't work in a small bag. That's why I'm gonna put it. Yo. It won't work. Now go. Go. W trade. Oh, thank you. It gives me money. I want to keep on trading. Yeah. This. 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 How about no? How about I have an only moderator thing? How about I have an only owner thing and you won't trade something good for it? What about an egg? You can't get these anymore. Yeah, bro. It's OG update. You can't get them anymore. Do you have anything to trade? I don't really want no spears. I don't really want no spears right now. I don't really want no spears. Ooh. Tiny axe. Yeah, I've heard. This is duped. This is duped. Yeah, but don't get two. Don't get two. Yeah, no. 3, 2, 1. Go. Let's go. W. God. I had my... Whatever, you can have it. I have...
I have a bloody spoon. Sure, I'll trade.
I had to trade.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'll trade, but don't scam though.
Sure?
I can trade.
Yeah, but don't scam. It's gonna be my
Who
code
wants to
that
make
I'm
a
gonna
video?
use.
Who wants to make a video? Who wants to make a video?
Triple T.
Who wants to make
Bro,
a video?
you join me,
Who
bro.
wants
You
to
can
make a
scam me,
video?
I
Who wants to
know.
make a video? Who wants to make a video?
Who wants
Just
to make
join
a
me.
deal with me?
Oh, dude, run it, run it. Dude, I know you're gonna kick me when I drop my bag. Okay. What would you trade for a bloody school? You'll trade me what? You'll trade me that? How'd you trade me for... No, there's nothing inside of this, I think. Yep. What would you trade for this OG item? OG item, an eyeball. I'm just checking if you go to your kick menu or not. I dropped it. I dropped it. I think he's gonna try to steal. I don't trust him. Nope, don't buy a bag. Dude, David, leave. David, David, if you don't leave, I'm not gonna trade, man. If he doesn't leave, I'm not gonna trade. You might have a hard gun. You might just buy a hard gun from here and get it. No, I'm just making sure. I'm not buying a hot gun. See, I'm not buying one. Do not open your kick menu. If you open your kick menu, I'm gonna grab it. Are you scamming? Dude, are you trying? Look at him trying to steal. No, if he doesn't leave, I'm not trading. By the way, is that an OG item? Is that an OG item? Nah, but I need an OG item. This is OG. Yep. I don't know any of the values. Someone just gave me these. But is it fine if I record your name? For you to not scam? No, but just put it in that bag. I don't know where hot guns are. Wait, I'm not buying a hot gun. I can't even buy one. Oh. Yeah, bro, for you to not kick me, let's do this. We're gonna say 3, 2, 1, and we're both gonna drop our bags. We're gonna be like this. We're both gonna drop our bags. And can I see the... Oh, you're just gonna kick me. I know it. Look at him. Look at him. Go to the couch, bro. Okay. Why are you walking slow, huh? Same. W trade, bro. No, bro. I thought you were gonna kick me. People scam like that. Is there anything in the backpack? Oh. Thank you too for not scamming me. I thought you were gonna scam me.